Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Northwest Ripping Keepers and Steve Perdue'S How-To. Oh yeah, we're trail stomping down to some new spots that I found a couple years ago. Let's go see what happens, guys. Today we're enjoying some fishing on the river, some crystal clear water, some great fun, barbecuing some food up, and hitting those fish. If you look closely in this section, you're going to see fish rolling and flashing underneath that water as we're trying to target them. Fish on, look at that. Oh. Got the camera on too. Okay, I'm done messing around with these fish. I'm going to use my bobber as an anchor to drift my gear through there with a clump of eggs. So instead of waiting for the bobber to go down, I'm going to set the hook, the net's off of it. Look, I screenshotted it when we were looking up the, oh, they're going to get bigger and bigger as you go. Look, you saved your eggs. There we go, fish on. Fish on, there we go. Got him, baby. Oh, this one's a little bigger. Steelhead, coho, and pink salmon here on the grill. And carne asada. I'm growing some carne asada. Everybody, I've been trying not to, man, and I'm trying not to, but I can't help it. It just keeps happening. Great views, great fun, great people, beautiful views, and how to catch more fish right here on Steve Perdue'S How-To and Northwest Ripping Keepers. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can catch more fish.